Hello YouTube. So hey guys, I'm trying to make a quick video today before the stock market opens up. I want to make a video on trading OGen, so that way you guys could learn about the MACD and it can really help you today trading in case you want to know if the stock's going to keep going up or not, because right now it's up a lot and people want to know if it's going to continue going up or it's going to dip. So I'm going to make a quick video on that. So this is the stock, the 90-day chart, 1 hour intervals. It's zoomed in right now, so if I zoom out you can see. Yeah, so this is how the stock's been trading for the past 90 days. As you can see, the stock has been going up and recently hit 1.6, and a lot of people are wondering if it's going to be the same run as the one that happened over here. So a good way to tell is to look back and see what was going on here. And I'm going to explain how to use the MACD to figure out if the stock trend will keep going up or if it's done and sell-off is going to come. So let's zoom in here on the last time the stock ran. Okay, so now what you want to do is add a MACD study. So you're going to go here, studies, add study. You can just find it here in all studies. Go to M. It's right here under LM, MACD. So you click on MACD and you get these new set of lines down here. So what do these lines mean? Alright, so you have, if you notice here, you have two lines. You have a blue one and you have a yellow one. So these two lines, the blue one is the moving average convergence and divergence, and the yellow one is the moving average average. So yeah, as long as this, and when you notice here the blue line again, as it's curling down now and heading down, that's when the stock starts having a downtrend. So how is this going to help you guys? Okay, so also notice here the yellow line. That's what's important. What's important here is whenever this blue line is over the yellow line, that's a very strong bull indicator. So yeah, as soon as you add the study, you'll get both of these lines there, and you won't have to do anything else. So let's go back to the last time the stock ran to 3.74. Well, right now it's at 1.6. So I can actually just draw a line here for you guys, so you guys can see that. I'm gonna draw a quick price line. At 1.6. We'll make it a resistance line because we don't know if it's a support yet. Okay, so right now the stock is at this value too, and you want to know, oh, is it gonna have the same run? Maybe run to $3-4. So looking at the MACD can really help you out here. So if you look at it, the blue line here is always trending upward. It never curls down until about this point, and when you notice that curve down, you could sell. Or an even better indicator is just whenever this blue line crosses over and goes underneath the yellow line, then that's a very strong indication that there's going to be major sell-off happening. And whenever a blue line goes above the yellow line, that's a strong indication that a lot of buys are coming in and the stock price is going to move up. There's a very easy way to tell if these lines cross each other. So if you click on studies again, and you click on edit studies, and you click on the setting bar here for your MACD, you see this option here, show breakout signals. If you put yes, and you click OK, you'll notice you get these little arrows that pop up here. You can even make them bigger. I'll show you how to make them bigger. If you go back to your studies, you go up to our up signal, you change the width here, and down signal, you can change the width. Okay, they should be bigger now. Yeah, so anytime the blue line crosses over the yellow line, you'll see this little green arrow pointing up on your chart. And anytime the blue line crosses under the yellow line, you'll see this red line. So this is really helpful, and it gives you a very strong indication of what's about to happen to the stock. As you can see here, this arrow came up right before the stock tipped. So yeah, this can help you out trading today, guys, because as you can see, if we move forward today, see, as long as this blue line stays above this yellow line, we're gonna go straight up. Wait, guys, before I go, I want to tell you again, I quickly just adding on to this video. if you look here at my MACD line, it is covered in breakout signals, and that's because I'm on my 1 minute chart right now. So if you want to, you can change, you can keep it at 1 day, but you can change the aggregation period, and like you have to just look at the chart. So if you can see, were these signals generally true? Yes, but this might still be a little too specific for us. So we might want something smaller than 10 while we're trading today. Let's try a 15-minute chart. No, let's try 20 minutes. Like the issue with this chart still is if we get a down signal here, the stock might not even dip. It might dip like a tiny bit, like you can see right here, but that's nothing significant. So we want to make our time frame even smaller. Let's try 1 hour. Let's see, it's looking good now. This might be it. 1 hour is the same one that we used on the other chart, so let's try 3-day 1 hour. Just want to make sure I give you guys the right information. Let's see how accurate this is at predicting some trends, and yeah, this one looks a lot better. So I would go for it with the 1 hour MACD crossover line. You can use whichever you want though. That's just my personal opinion. And yeah, have fun trading.